Once upon a time, there was a monk. He used to sit by bank of the river every day and shout that whatever you want, you will get. Whatever you want, you will get. The people who passed by the monk considered him to be mad and did not pay much attention to his words. One day, as usual, the monk was shouting, "Whatever you want, you will get." A young man was passing by. He heard the voice of the monk and went to him. He asked the sage, "O blessed one, you are saying that you will get whatever you want. So can you give me what I want?" The monk listened to him and said, "Yes, it is true, my friend. Whatever you want, I can give you. You just have to obey me. But first of all, tell me, what do you want?" The young man replied, "O wise one, I have only one wish. I want to become very rich person. I want to be a big trader of diamonds and pearls." Seeing the readiness of the young man, the sage said, "Sure, my friend, your wish will definitely be fulfilled. I will give you a diamond and pearl so you can make as many diamonds and pearls with it." After saying this, the sage put his hand on the palm of that young man and said, "Son, I am giving you the most precious diamond in the world. People call it time. Hold it firmly in your fist and never lose it. You can make as many diamonds as you want from it." The young man got into some thought. Just then, holding his other palm, the monk said, "Son, take this. This is the second most precious pearl in the world. People call it patience. Whenever you do not see the result even after giving time, then use this precious pearl. Always remember that the one who has this pearl of patience can achieve anything in this world." The person seriously considered the words of the monk and learned a great lesson that time and patience are the most precious gems in this world. Then the young man decided that from today onwards he will never waste his time and will always work with patience. After leaving from there, the young man worked with a big diamond merchant. He made full use of his time, learned the work with honesty, and with his hard work and patience, one day he himself became a very big trader of diamonds. If we see in our life, we will find that people set goals in their life, but due to lack of these two jewels named time and patience, they are not able to achieve their goal. To achieve any goal in your life, it is very important to have two qualities of time management and patience. Never let your time be wasted and never give up on patience even in difficult situations, because no one is stronger than time and there is no wealth greater than patience. If we can understand the importance of time in our life and make good use of time and keep patience even in difficult situations, then we can do whatever we want and we can get anything in our life. Therefore, you should always have these two precious gems of time and patience, and whatever you want, you can get. This is Words of Wisdom, Inspirational Stories. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.